My name is Jose, and I've been working here in this shop for a long time, almost 20 years. I used to have a hard time keeping my tools organized. Now that I have this Montezuma combo, I can work anywhere very easily. An old one in my garage that is not deeper as this one. Look at this, 24 inches. I have a bunch of different drawers, so I can organize my tools the way I want. Look at this drawer. It has a capacity of 150 pounds. I pull the handle, and you can see this latching mechanism that will help when I'm moving the toolbox around, the drawers will not come out. So it's easily to close and open without any effort. In this unit, also you have a deeper drawer as where I keep my bigger tools. This one has about 300-pound capacity because it has also 2 sets of glides. And there are a lot of liners in every drawer to protect my investment from the scratches. The great feature about this toolbox is the gas struts. If you notice over here how easy it is to open the lid and also to close it, just with one finger I can close it down. And here I can plug in my chargers for my power tools. But not only that, it has 2 USB ports in which I can plug in my phone to get recharged. On the cabinet side, I have another electrical outlet in which I can plug in my fans or other tools that I might need. And also I have 2 extra USB ports. Another great feature about this unit is the edges. You don't cut yourself in this, so they are great. I have a lot of tools, big, small ones. If I'm gonna move my toolbox, I can move it without a problem. These units are finished with powder coated. They will last a long, long time. When I leave for the day, I can lock my toolbox without a problem. And see you tomorrow. I'm proud of my job, especially now that I have the right equipment. I recommend this to all my coworkers. This is a great toolbox.
Whether you're at work, home, or on the farm, we are here to ensure that your life is organized.